Okay, alright, so this is a special moment. We're going to open the SeeStar, okay? And I have elected some help from my oldest, Liam here, right? Because I think that this is a pretty important product, and we've already seen it, and many other manufacturers are coming out with clones of something like this. But essentially, the SeeStar is going to change everything.
Just pop them. Just.
Oh, you need your muscles, mister? Yeah. All right. Well, come on, let's cut it open here. Go across the top. All right. Good boy. You did a good job of that, mister. Getting the ends open. All right. And we're going to dump it out here.
I need it.
And we have a battery label warning on here because, yes, this does contain batteries. There it is, mister. Oh, he wants to cut the box up. Hey, get back up here. We got this to open.
I got this box.
Little minds, you know. All right, well, here. Let's get this out.
Oh. Let's make it work.
All right, one thing I think this thing is really cool, I think. And even if you are an advanced astrophotographer, like this kind of has something for everybody, really. For example, we are probably going to go to Texas to see the eclipse, and when we do, I think this is going to go with us because, well, it's kind of it'll be easy, and I will be able to watch the eclipse and not have to worry about taking pictures the whole time. But there we are, mister.
Is this the new Toco?
Oh, this is kind of for you, actually, and mommy. I'm gonna see if I can get mom interested in this.
Is this mine?
Yes.
Is this mine?
Here, let's spread out your tripod here.
Is that my tripod?
Yeah. So it's gonna go like that. And this right here is going to come out, and it threads on like so. I know you're all about cutting that box up, aren't you?
I might be taking a knife.
And oh, good, we did get the solar filter, okay, for the eclipse, and we got a charging cable.
Yeah.
Just no charging brick.
I
gotta say, I think the case is actually pretty durable feeling. Oh, let's keep it up here, mister, okay, so the camera can see. And we're gonna turn it on, okay? Now, it's overcast and actually raining outside right now, so we're not really gonna be able to get to use this. We gotta press and hold, I think.
Whoa.
There he goes. We're 3/4 charged. Oh, now we got the beep. Alright, so hey, stay tuned for more. I'm going to do a couple of videos about this thing, and of course I got a couple other new gizmos in the shop that we're going to play with. Right, mister?
Yeah.
Alright, good night everybody. Ooh, it's talking to us. I think it's talking to us in Chinese, though. So here's a little cap on everything. We took it in last night, and I didn't video record us playing with it that much, but essentially, I know my son Liam, he loved the tripod. He was setting the tripod up and putting it away, setting it up, putting it away. He got really good at it in the end, and I did not get it actually connected to the internet yet to basically validate itself and everything. I will have to probably take it to work where I have better cell phone reception, because out here I have no signal whatsoever, and I think you need a second type of internet connection in order to connect the thing, at least initially. Now, my son, oh, he's so funny. When I told him it was time to go to bed and put it away, he lovingly put it back in the box and kissed it good night. Oh my word. He's gonna be an astronomer like his dad. But yeah, it really made me laugh. And yeah, put it away, flashed it and everything, and said goodnight to it. And I think that is actually a really, really good sign that this product is probably going to be something that children, especially the younger generation, are going to be really interested in, which is what astrophotography needs. You know, we need the younger generation because that's the up-and-coming one. Good days ahead, right? So I'm really looking forward to using this thing on a night when it isn't foggy and rainy like it is going to be for the next couple of days, but we will definitely have some more info for you soon. And today also I go get a CT scan to see how my cancer is progressing, and I'll have some news about that soon, so stay tuned everybody.